everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Annette. I'm 21 years old and I just moved into my first apartment ever, so hence the echoey noise and my kind of bare couch, which by the way, I don't really know why I'm sitting on the ground but not on this couch. We're just gonna go with it. So since I just moved into my first apartment ever, my mom and I went to Costco, Ross, Home Goods, and Marshalls and just kind of went crazy with all of the pots and pans, dishes, drying racks, and whatnot. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, especially if you love move-in vlogs and moving content, because trust me, there will be a lot more. Also, if you're interested in any of the items I've mentioned in this haul, be sure to check out the description box because I will link everything down below. And you don't have to worry because none of these links are gonna be affiliate links, so I won't be earning any penny from it. All right, let's just go ahead and get started. The first thing I have here, which is my most important thing, is my rice cooker. This is from the brand Tiger, which is a pretty popular brand in terms of rice cookers. This actually used to be my family's old rice cooker. We just got a new one actually recently, so which is why my parents are like, okay, you can have this one, and they'll have their new one that actually sings a little bit whenever the rice is done cooking. I don't know if this one sings or not, but if it does, that's kind of annoying, so I should probably like tone it down so my neighbors won't get annoyed with me. I'm Asian, I eat a lot of rice, I need my rice. The cool thing about this cooker too is that it's actually a 3-in-1 function, so it can be a steamer, multi-menu rice cooker, or a slow cooker. And my boyfriend's mom actually makes the best chili that I have ever tasted in my entire life, and I'm hoping I can make some with this rice cooker. Moving on, we have my sandwich maker, which is actually something I just got this Christmas from my sister and her fiance, so thank you so much to Alicia and Chris for this lovely gift. It is also one of those 3-in-1 detachable sandwich makers, so I can make a sandwich, a panini, or waffles, which is pretty cool. The brand is Orfeld, a Brita. I'm really picky with my water. I don't know why. I just don't like a lot of water brands. For example, I hate Fiji, I don't like Voss. Smart water is good for me. I used to like Dasani, but then I didn't realize that there was sodium in there, so now I'm trying to stay away from that. I unfortunately don't like tap water either, because for some reason I can like taste like the metally taste of tap water. So luckily my mom found Brita at Costco, and she also got in some filters as well. A salad spinner. I got this salad spinner from IKEA, and I used to not really be into salad spinners nor eating salad in general because I'm not good with eating my veggies. But when I was with my mom at IKEA, she grabbed this and she was like, you need a salad spinner because you're gonna eat veggies no matter what. So we have this salad spinner, and I'm gonna make sure it doesn't collect dust in my cabinets, and I'll definitely be eating salad more often. Also, this might be TMI, but this top, for some reason, makes my non-existent boobs look saggy, but I'll maybe cut that out because you might not want to know that. Next up is this full set of pots and pans. So it comes with a frying pan, saucepan, another saucepan, another frying pan, and a Dutch oven, excuse me. I'm definitely balling on a budget right now, so I didn't really want to spend too much money on my pots and pans. Luckily, this one was at Ross for only $40 for 8 pieces, which I think is a pretty big steal. It's oven safe, induction ready, and dishwasher safe. So next up, I have some dishes. This is from Home Goods for only $20, pretty good. It's by the brand Tabletops Gallery, timeless design since 1983. So it's a 16-piece dinnerware set for 4 people. Obviously there's no one else living in this apartment but me, but you never know if I'm gonna have guests over, which hopefully I will, since I really want to make new friends here. In this dishware set, it comes with a bowl, 2 plates, and a cup for 1 person, but there's 4 of them. Now that I've shown you guys, I can finally use my dishes because I was kind of just waiting until I made this haul. We're gonna ignore that. Next up, we have a dish drying rack from KitchenAid. I believe my mom got this at Bed Bath & Beyond, I think. This is the same one that we have at home. This is actually originally for my grandma, but my grandma ended up never using it. She was just like, go ahead and give it to Annette. So thank you so much, Grandma. Moving on, I have a whole bunch of little pots and pans in here. I have 2 small little glass loaf pans. I usually like making banana bread for Adrian and his family. So these ones are actually from Michael's, and they're only like $1 or $2 at most. And I also have a larger loaf pan for when I just want to make banana bread for myself. I also have some letter molds for baking. I originally bought this for a Valentine's Day gift for Adrian. I was trying to make this right here. We also have this pan that I can use for brownies or any other baking needs, maybe cookies, but I think there's like a different cookie sheet pan that you can use. It also comes with a top for it. At IKEA, I also got these little seasoning cover organizers. Okay, I don't know why I can't remember what these things are called. You just put like your salt, pepper, and other seasoning inside this little jar. It's not a jar though, whatever. Anyways, so I got this at IKEA and I already filled one of them with pepper. Moving on, I have a big laundry basket that I think we got from Target a really long time ago. But in here, I have a whole bunch of little knickknacks, so I'm just gonna run these really quickly. First up, we have this 15-piece kitchen tool set from HomeGoods for only $15. So in this tool set, I have a slotted turner, short turner, basting spoon, measuring cups, measuring spoons, compact can opener, paring knife, and a swivel peeler, and a cutting mat. It's a lot of stuff. So, lots of things in here. And for only $15 at HomeGoods, that's pretty good. Next up, I have this little box cutter that I got from YesStyle, and I just got it because I thought it was really cute. It's a little cloud, but then like you pull up right here, and it's like a mini little box cutter. It's not really functional because like the tip of like the box cutter is literally only like 1 centimeter at most, and you can't really get much out of it, but you know, it's still pretty sharp. It cuts boxes like you need. My mom went to DAISO and she bought me these spoons. Oh no, then one of them chipped. So these are little soup spoons that usually go with ramen or like kanji, just anything of the sort like that. She also got me from DAISO 5 sets of chopsticks, as well as this like this like spoon for your rice when it's done. And besides the chopstick and spoons, we also got some silverware just in case I want to use this instead of chopsticks. It's from the brand Studio Cuisine, and we got this from HomeGoods for $20. I didn't realize there were like 17 different styles of just silverware just at HomeGoods. Why? I don't know. I never really thought that much about silverware until now. So I ended up picking this style. I just thought it was cute, but I went to IKEA and there's like 34 more different styles of just silverware in like silver, gold, black, bronze. I just bought this one because it's really cheap too. I also have some tongs from HomeGoods. This was $7 from the brand Onita. Kitchen scissors and regular scissors. These are both from Target, I think. A Santoku knife. I actually don't have a knife set yet, which is totally fine because I don't even know if I will need one, but we have this big knife just in case. A whisk and a silicone spoon spatula from KitchenAid. This one is also from Ross actually. It was really inexpensive as well. Bottle opener and a cheese grater from my house, which I don't know where we got these. We have some oven mitts and also some kitchen towels. They kind of go hand in hand together. These are both from HomeGoods. One is from the brand Working Kitchen. The other is from Pure Kitchen. I also have this towel holder, also from HomeGoods. This was only $6. Pretty self-explanatory. I need things to hold my towel. Actually, I don't really need something to hold my towel, but it's just easier like that. I have this cute salt and pepper shake. Now that I'm thinking about it, I just realized I put pepper inside my other IKEA shakers. Are they called shakers? I have more of these like utensils from IKEA. I'm starting to realize that I think I bought too many of these because I also have more right here. Another serving spoon. I have like this little strainer thingy. These extra long chopsticks for cooking because my mom told me I'm not supposed to use these chopsticks for cooking and I have to use the big one for it. I don't know why she bought these like absurdly large chopsticks for me, but you know, like I'm just gonna go with it. Who knows, it might be helpful if I'm using something with like oil so I can like stay really far away. I also have this electric whisk, I think is what it's called. I really want to make matcha latte in the morning because those sound really good. It doesn't come with batteries though. From YesStyle, I found this really cute mini food chopper. It looks like this, and I'm pretty sure I've seen the YouTuber Jen use this for her what I eat in a week, and basically you just pull and like the little knives spin and it chops your food. I don't know if this will work because it's from YesStyle, but we're gonna give it a shot whenever I make like salad or something. I also brought a bunch of my water bottles. This one is just your most basic hydro flask. I love the color of this though. It's like a periwinkle grayish blue. I also have this little tumbler. It's from Macy's. And my newest water bottle edition. It's this really cute My Hero Academia x Sanrio characters. And if you look on here, it's just like your average water bottle. And it has All Might, Deku, Hello Kitty, I forgot her name, Bakugo, Uraraka, and My Melody, and just other Sanrio characters. This is adorable. I saw this in the Uwajimaya bookstore and I just knew I had to get it. I don't know if it's dishwasher safe though, so I would definitely be cautious if you will be buying this. Next up, I have some Tupperware. This is just from my house. I don't know where we got it from, but I'll definitely link some similar ones down below. I also got these really cute coasters from YesStyle. They're little flowers on them and they're kind of like the dupe from Starbucks, I think, that I see everywhere on TikTok. It was really inexpensive, so I don't know if they're actually gonna work on like really hot products. For my kitchen sink, I have this Swing Cider Solo from this brand called Casabella, and essentially it's just like a little side place to put your sponge, dish soap, and like any other products you use to wash your dishes. It comes with a sponge, so I think that's great. I also got this from HomeGoods for only $10. $10. Cutting boards from Ross. It's from the brand Cook Supply Co. It's super cute. I love like the little black detailing on the side. We have a strainer for things like spaghetti or other pastas for straining. This is from IKEA. Pretty self-explanatory. I have another bowl for washing things like fruit, veggies, and whatnot. I think this is from DAISO. I'm not quite sure. Next up, we have this giant IKEA bin for garbage. I originally wanted to put this under my kitchen sink so then it's just easy to pull out and then just put it in there. But this is way too big, so I might have to find a different bin. But inside this bin, I kind of filled it with a bunch of random organization stuff. I have extension cords just because I don't have a lot of outlets. Need extension cords. These felt pads because my apartment requires you to have felt pads under heavy duty things so that it doesn't scratch the hardwood floor. Makes total sense. I still need to do that though. Don't tell my landlord. I have a bunch of these little IKEA night lights because I'm so afraid of the dark. And I'm not ashamed to say that at all. I have more little organizers to put in drawers. These ones I just got from DAISO. More organizers for drawers. Again, these are also from DAISO. This organizer is for your knives, forks, and spoons, and other things inside the kitchen. This one's from IKEA. And then I also have a little bin for compost. Finally, I have a whole bunch of cleaning supplies right over here. But for starters, I have this Broom and Dust Pan from Costco. This vacuum from Costco as well. The brand is Shark Rocket Performance Stick Vacuum. I have a whole bunch of disposable masks too, just in case I can't find my reusable ones, or if I have a guest over that needs a mask. A Costco pack of Kleenex wipes, Swiffer refills for a Swiffer that I don't have yet, some hand soap, and dish soap. Dish soap. Does anyone else also just use dish soap as regular soap? Because I sometimes use it and Adrian always yells at me because he said that it's not good for my hands. But I think he's just being nitpicky. Compost bags, trash bags, paper towels, toilet paper, or Clorox wipes, Ziploc bags, and also these other food bags, aluminum foil wrap. I have some lotion too because my hands are really dry because I use dish soap sometimes as regular hand soap. I also have some command strips for when I put a bunch of things on my walls, some dryer sheets. What is this? Stamp rid? I think this is just to put on your clothes for getting rid of moisture in the air, I think. A picture hanging kit, some Cascade pods for my dishwasher, and finally, a big bag of just a bunch of sponges. If you stayed to the end, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because I know for a fact that there's like 90% of you guys that are not subscribed to my channel but still watches my videos. What are you doing? Just subscribe. You're here. It's free. Subscribe for more moving content. Like I said, there will be a lot more. I'm working on a grocery haul as well as organizing my whole kitchen, so be sure to stay tuned for that.